Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be on DIY home decor. So make your home look beautiful this quarantine. So without wasting time, let's move to the video.
So all we need is a old CD, poster color or any other color you have, a gum, a scissor, painting brushes and some old newspapers. We will take newspapers, then cut it into 4 pieces. I will take one piece among the 4 and roll up from the end, just like the way I am showing in the video. So our one roll is ready. We will need several of them. I will put some glue on one and stick it to the other. I will keep on sticking it one after the other. And yeah, this is ready. I'll take a compass and draw a circle on it. The circle can be of any radius. Now cut out a circle like this. Taking the same radius, I have cut out a semicircle. Now with the same technique, I have made this a belt-like structure and its length is exactly the circumference of the semicircle. I will put some glue on it and paste it on the circle. And now on the top we'll put the semicircle. So this is how it will look like. So the back is not yet rigid. To give it a support, we will put 2 sticks like the way I have shown in the video. For the same reason, we will put it on the back side as well. I will take a ochre color. You can take any color you want. Actually, this depends on you how you want it to look like. I just want it to look like a little woody, so here I am using this ochre color. And yeah, we are done painting it. Here I have cut out small petals from an old CD. This is how it will look like when we will hang it. It will look really pretty with those flowers. I made one more of it, but its shape is a little different this time. I added one more feature to it. I added a CD below it, and I have covered the CD with red wool.
So yeah, this was it. Please try this at home and comment below how it turned out. And yeah, if you like the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.